right, so Injen air intake installed. Man, that thing was a bitch. Not gonna lie. Well, this is a base, so that I did purchase the Type S. Um, Only because I got a good deal on it. As I said earlier, $100 for it. Can't complain. Pretty sure it's not much difference than buying a base intake. Major issues was this coupler. This coupler did not come with the intake. It is a 90-degree bend, but it did give me issues lining up near the washer reservoir. Um, all I did was get a super long bolt, probably about an inch and a quarter. Let me see if I have one lying around here. Now this was only an inch. This one is only an inch. I suggest probably getting one that's about inch and a half, 10 mil, inch and a half, inch, and put a spacer in between, probably about an inch spacer, and yeah, it is held down now. It's pretty sturdy. Can't complain. I did hear, a lot of soot. Before it was nothing but exhaust. I do have a full exhaust, DC headers. Before, all I was getting was revving it was just pure exhaust. Now when I rev it, I do get some intake action going on. You hear the revs. Let me start it up. See if you guys maybe can hear it. Might be able to hear it. Let's see. You can definitely hear the valve now. Man, the videos really don't do it justice, but definitely could hear the intakes now. I can hear some soot action going on. Soot. That's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to answer to the best of my abilities. Yeah, missing badge. Yeah, old grill. All right, peace, guys.